Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about, a coin that holds both historical significance and numismatic value. We're going to delve into the world of the 1980 Elizabeth I, Two New Pence coin. So, if you're a coin enthusiast or history buff, you're in for a treat. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Let's get started. Here it is, the 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin. As you can see, it features a profile of Queen Elizabeth II on one side and a depiction of a crowned portcullis on the other. This coin is made of bronze and measures 25.9 mm in diameter. Now, let's dive into the historical context of this coin. The 1980s were a time of change and transformation, not just socially and culturally, but also in the world of numismatics. The United Kingdom was undergoing modernization, and this coin is a reflection of that era. It was minted during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II, who had been on the throne for nearly 3 decades by then. Taking a closer look at the design, you can see the elegant profile of Queen Elizabeth II. This effigy was created by Arnold Machine and is one of the most iconic portrayals of the Queen. On the reverse, we have the symbol of the portcullis, which is associated with the Palace of Westminster, the heart of British politics. Now, let's talk about the rarity and value of this coin. The 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin is part of a series of decimal coins introduced in 1970. 1. While these coins were once common in circulation, finding them today in mint condition can be a bit of a challenge. And that's where the value comes in. Coin collectors and investors often look for coins that are well preserved. The condition of a coin is determined by a grading scale, with int or proof coins being the highest grade. A 1982 New Pence coin in mint condition could fetch a higher value compared to a worn-out coin. So it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for those well-preserved gems. As for the market value, prices can vary based on factors like rarity, demand, and condition. On online auction sites and coin marketplaces, you might find this coin selling for anywhere from a few pounds to significantly higher, depending on its grade and overall appeal. 2 pence, 1980, coin from United Kingdom. Detailed information. 2 pence, 1980, coin from United Kingdom. Coin 2 pence, 1980. The 2 pence coin is currently the second lowest circulating denomination of the British decimal, pound sterling, after the halfpenny was demonetized in 1984. It was one of 3 new coins introduced into general circulation on the 15th February 1971, when the United Kingdom adopted a new decimal currency system. The other 2 new coins were the 1 tup and 1 points. 5 pf, 10th, and 50th had been introduced earlier. To avoid confusion between the old and new coinage, all 3 coins initially had the word new incorporated into the reverse design. This was later removed. Bronze was replaced for new coins with copper-plated steel in 1992. In 2008, a new design was introduced. The original coins are still current though, and circulate in parallel with the new ones. Coins issued in 1980 have now been circulating for 43 years. 1 penny and 2 pence coins are legal tender only up to the sum of 20. This means that it is permissible to refuse payment of sums greater than this amount in 1 and 2 coins in order to settle a debt. In conclusion, the 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin is a fascinating piece of British numismatic history. It reflects an era of change and modernization in the United Kingdom. Whether you're a collector, investor, or just someone interested in history, this coin offers a window into the past. Remember, its value goes beyond just the monetary. It's a piece of art and history combined. That wraps up our video for today. If you enjoyed this exploration of the 1980 Elizabeth II New Pence coin, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating coin-related content. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy collecting. Stay curious, stay knowledgeable, and keep those coin collections shining. See you in the next video.